Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing another cool product from Divoom. I don't know if you guys remember, but a few months ago I did a couple unboxings of their products, a Bluetooth speaker and the Picsou 64 smart display, which I still use to this day on my dresser. It displays the time, date, weather, all kinds of stuff like that, forecast, and I absolutely love it. It's on 24/7. And it's been great. So when they reached out again, asking if I wanted to check this product out, I said absolutely. So here it is. And this one comes packaged kind of like the speaker did. It's actually similar to the speaker, I believe. And I like this packaging. If you're going to give one of these as a gift or something, it comes in a little baggie already, so you don't have to gift bag it up. Oop. Adjust the camera here. You don't have to gift bag it up or anything. It's already got its own little gift bag ready to go. But you can do that. Pull it out here, just like the speaker. It's got a little carrying case and everything. Let's see. I think I saw a thing that said open it. Here we go. I like these little cases that they come with. It's got a little plastic on the front there to protect it. And then this one actually has a little like latching mechanism there. The other speaker one just had like a little push button to release it. And then here we go. Take it out. There's a little plastic protector on there. I think you can probably put that back in there without it. Yep, you can. And this is called let me check and see here, the Tiivoo 2. Tiivoo-2 is the model of this. And there are some little stickers to decorate it, as well as a USB charging cable in the bottom down there. So make sure you take those out. But here it is. I'll go ahead and turn it on, I believe. See if we can figure out what button it is. There we go. It's that one right there. Nice little display there. And it's starting up. All right, so we'll go ahead and set this up here. I want to zoom in as much as I can there. All right, and it's asking us to scan the QR code using the Divoom app, which I do have on my phone already because I have like I said, my other stuff. So we'll go ahead and open up the app here and click the little plus button. That's not the one I wanted. Click the little plus button for devices up there. This is going to be a Bluetooth device, so we're going to switch to Bluetooth. And let's see, Tiivoo right there on the top. Ooh, I think we have to hit search. I think we can skip that. Yeah, we're going to skip past that, and then so it gives you the time right there, which is obviously not correct right now because it is not connected to anything yet. So we're going to go. We can see the Bluetooth icon up there on the top. Tiivoo 2 right there, unconnected. So we'll go ahead and connect to that. And we'll see here, pairing request. Go ahead and hit pair. There we go. We are now connected. So we have a Tiivoo 2 audio, and there should be one for the light as well, because they connect like separately. So you can do like use it as just like a Bluetooth speaker, or you can pair it and do that kind of stuff. So here we go. We can see we can change the clock here, and now the time is updated as well. So there's all that. You can just choose whatever clock you want, and it will update on the screen like so. So that's pretty cool. I like the little flip clock here. Obviously this is rechargeable, it's not plugged in. It does have a speaker, so it is a Bluetooth speaker as well. You can see here there is a music section, so you can do Bluetooth. Oops, I accidentally hit Let's see, what's the back button? Oh, right there. Is this a joystick? There we go. So you can do Bluetooth. There is, looks like, yep, there's a micro SD card slot on the bottom right here. So you can do micro SD, USB audio as well. I believe there's some kind of radio because there is an antenna on here. Yep, right there. Turn the volume down. Let's see if we can get a station. Oop. Won't be able to play it too long just because of copyright, but looks like there's a piece of plastic over the front too. Oh, so it is picking up some stuff. Looks like it's just scanning through the different available channels. We can go ahead and we'll go ahead and stop that. Yeah, so it's finding everything that's available and then listing it out. So that's pretty cool. It looks like it's actually still going, even though even though we're not in that menu anymore, because that's still updating. So it is still scanning through. I don't know how to stop it here. It looks like it turns Bluetooth off. All right, so it looks like it's done. So now we can go through the different stations and stuff there. I don't know how to stop it from the radio. I'll just put it back on Bluetooth audio. Connected back to my phone there. That turned it back on. So there you go. You can do like photos and stuff like that, alarms. There's different tools, games, all kinds of different stuff. All this kind of stuff is available on the TECHOUTONYT and the other Bluetooth speaker I have as well. And then you got settings, brightness, sound. Remember, power on, volume, temperature. We can change that to Fahrenheit. Bluetooth. Let's see. So you can do a Bluetooth password, unpair it, and you can disconnect it right there as well. Date and time, lock screen, shutdown time. So you can change all that kind of stuff right there. Schedule power on and off, language, and then factory reset it. So pretty cool little thing here. Nice little, desk radio, desk clock display, desk photo, frame. They do come in different colors. There is a link down in the description to Divoom's products. An order over $49 will save you 10% using my link. So if you're interested in any of their items, they have a bunch of cute little stuff like this. Go ahead and check them out in the link down in the description. I'm Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. And as always, have a great day.